Hello everyone, Karen Eichten here. We are in my sewing shop today and we are making cushions. So we have some cushions to cover. So this is the old material here. It's a slip cover that was on this. So it's a slip cover, and then we are converting it to making it all this light gray. And then this big cushion here will get to be this darker gray. And then we already did two other cushions for the same person. So that's what we're working on today. So we're working on cushions. We've got them cut out, except for this one. This one will be later or tomorrow. But we're getting the two back cushions finished up today. And it's a little hot in here today, but I just wanted to say hello. Hopefully all of you are interested in getting your shop up and going and being organized and able to drive traffic to your location or to your product or service. And if you need any help with that, I'd love to help you. So just reach out to me through direct message, or you can book a call at the top of this page. There's a schedule there for me, and then you can just go to my calendar and book a call with me. I'd love to see what it is you're working on today, and hopefully you're all staying productive. Talk to you all later. Bye-bye.